Good morning. What's up, guys? I got like technically 4 days of my vacation left to work on the car. But I need some tools today so I can get on with that. And the weekend's coming, and who knows what happens on the weekend, right? There's always something going on. There's always something to sidetrack me. So before we get into our day, just take these stock wheels out for a ride. So I didn't put the mags back on yet. Today's Friday and I'm actually supposed to meet up with somebody later on, and it concerns the RX-7, and something might happen. I'm gonna make you guys wait. So right now I'm going to Canadian Tire and I'm gonna get some tools I need, run around, get a few things, start the day. It's already 11:30, so it's kind of a slow start. But hey, can't finish if you don't start. All right, let's get out of here. So we can finish off those motor mounts today, put those in the car. I want to put the exhaust manifolds on, and if I have time I might start fitting up some other stuff like the rad support, the fenders, try to see if everything lines up, maybe even the front bumper if I'm feeling kind of crazy. See that box right there? There's 5 flap discs in each box, and it was on sale, plus a bunch of grinder discs in it. Plus there was a bunch of other grinder discs in it. They were on sale for the price of roughly 1 flap disc. So I got 5 flap discs and about 30 other discs in each box. That's 10. That's 10, like 60. Shit, that's like 36. I got like 70 grinding discs for the price of 2 flap discs. Gotta love those sales, like 65% off, whatever. Kick ass. Raining again. I haven't had good luck with this vacation. It's been raining non-stop. I was supposed to take the RX-7 out tonight to meet up with somebody, and I don't know if that's gonna happen, so I'll ask the dude if he actually wants to come right down to my place this year. The good thing about a rainy day though, I like working in the garage when it's raining. I like spending time in there, door open. It's very relaxing. It's like my place of zen. I think the problem is, like I had last time, when I get like feeling down and kind of like, I guess, moody and stuff, not feeling it. I think the big problem was last time was it was super nice out. So I don't want to be stuck in the garage when it's super nice out. I want to be out driving a car, my car, any car, having fun. The garage, as much as I love it, sort of feels like a dungeon, and it makes it worse on a sunny, shiny day because it's all nice and stuff outside, and you're not getting any sunlight. But on a day like this, it's perfect. So I'm gonna finish running around getting my shit. We're gonna go back and work on stuff now that I got tools. All right, so I'm all done running around for the day. I put the mounts back in, the motor's locked in, everything's ready to be set back on the ground. And it's gonna be a short vlog this time, a short video, but that's a good thing because I had a goal this week, and that goal was to get that motor transmission bolted in the car and back on the ground so that I can start fitting everything else. So I'm definitely at that point. So we're gonna put this, you know what? I think I'm gonna clean up first. I'm gonna clean up first, and then we're gonna put the car on the ground, and that'll probably be our day today because I've got to take off with the RX-7 later tonight, and that's what we're doing. So. Bench is clean all the way around. Is this making you guys dizzy? Getting motion sickness watching my videos? Now basically I just gotta sweep up the floor and clean up my tools a little bit, organize them. And then after that, we can move on to the next thing, the next step, the next project. Nobody likes sweeping, what the hell? As clean as I need it right now to move on to the next thing. So with great joy, we're gonna put this thing back on the ground for the second time, but this time it has the motor in it, all the mounts are done, bolted in, that's where it's gonna sit. So now we get to see what it looks like sitting on the ground, what the stance is gonna be like. Man, that's low. So what do we think about that? There she sits. It's definitely sitting very, very low right now, but I have the shocks set up at the lowest height. It just made it easier for me to assemble everything. Less stress on the springs. Anyway. And that is pretty motivating. So I set out with a goal on my vacation. I started last week, last Saturday. It's now Friday. Mission accomplished. It wasn't a big goal, but hey, I did put the complete front end of a car together, got the motor and everything in it. We're one step closer to having this thing back on the road. I'm very much looking forward to getting more done, sharing it with you guys. So keep watching, hit that like button, subscribe, share the crap out of these videos, show your friends. Lately the views have actually been going down and I'm not sure what it is. Is it getting boring or whatever? If that's the case, tell me in the comments, tell me what you want to see. Let's have fun with this. Peace, take it easy. I'll see you guys next time. Stay happy.